In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Figma to build a clickable prototype for your mobile app. We'll start by opening your design in Figma. Before wiring anything up, make sure every screen of your app is set up as its own top fail frame. Top fail level simply means the frame isn't nested inside another frame or group. It sits on the canvas by itself. Keeping screens as separate frames gives Figma clear start and end points for each interaction. And it prevents odd scrolling or clipping in playback. While you are at it, it helps to name frames clearly, like home, product, or checkout, so you can spot them quickly when connecting interactions. Next, apply a device preset. With a frame selected, choose one of Figma's default phone options, such as a common iPhone or Android size. Using these presets allows Figma to automatically wrap your prototype with a realistic device frame when you present, which makes testing and sharing feel more true to life. Now switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab at the top right of the sidebar. This is where you'll define how a user moves from one screen to the next. To create your first link, click the specific element you want to be interactive. Maybe a primary button, a back arrow, or a tab icon. Hover near the edge of that object until you see a small blue circular node. Click and drag that noodle to the destination frame you want users to land on. You'll see a connection line appear between the two screens, confirming the link. As soon as you create the connection, the Interaction Details panel opens on the right. Set the trigger to on tap for mobile experiences, or on click if you are previewing with a mouse. For action, choose Navigate to and confirm the correct destination frame. Then pick an animation. Dissolve gives a subtle crossfade, Slide in feels like a standard page transition, and Smart Animate can create smooth, context-aware motion. When matching layers exist between screens, choose the option that best fits the feel of your app. When you are ready to test, click the present icon, the small play button in the top toolbar. Your prototype opens in a new tab with the device frame applied. Interact with it just like a user would, tapping your hotspots to move through the flow and watching those transitions in action. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.